Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to call magento2 from the root folder. By default, after 2.4.2 Magento version, it is serving from the pub folder because of the security reason. It provides security to direct access file, and that's why it is calling from the pub folder. But if you are working on a local environment and you want to call magento2 from the root folder, then you can perform the particular step which I will going to show in this video. So let's perform the steps to call magento2 from the root folder. First thing is you have to copy index.php and htaccess file which is on the pub folder to your root folder. So we'll go to our pub folder, and in this htaccess file will copy this content and will paste it on the root htaccess file. Second thing is we have to also copy index.php file. So we'll copy this index.php file which is under pub folder, and we'll create index.php file on the root and we'll paste it over there. So we have created this index.php file on the root folder, and we have copied the content of the pub file. We have to remove this slash and double dot. So we have to remove this slash and double dot, and we have to save it. Next step is we have to go to the core config data table and we have to insert this entries. So we have to go to php myadmin, and here we have to insert this 4 rows. I'll explain you what this 4 rows about. So this 4 rows are the URL which we are setting and which is from the pub static folder and the pub media folder. So we are setting the URL, secure and unsecure URL, to call the content from the pub static or the pub media folder. So you have to insert these entries. Since my XAMPP is calling from 8082 port, that's why I have written 8082. On your system, if it is calling on the default 80 port, then you don't have to write this. On description, I will also show the steps, and on that I have default written 127.0.0.1. Okay, so you will get the you will get the steps on the description as well. Okay, next thing is you have to remove this pop and just be magento 2. Just let it be magento 2. Okay, so we are here explicitly mention the path from where our static content and the media content should be loaded. Since we are calling from the root folder now, you have to explicitly mention this pub static and pub media path on the core config data table. Okay, after this we will run setup upgrade command. So we have to open command prompt and we'll run setup upgrade. Okay, after setup upgrade we will run static content deploy command. Okay, so after static content deploy we will run cache flush command. Okay, after flush we will hit this URL. Okay, so after performing all these tweaks, you can see that now Magento 2 is calling from the root folder. So that's it for this particular video. We'll see you on the next video.